everyone, I'm Pearl and welcome back. I wanted to talk today about the new Happy Planner for 2019. This is the Classic Happy Planner, and I'll also be doing a giveaway at the end. So stick around for all the details on how you can enter to win this Happy Planner along with the stamps that I'm going to show you today. For the past year and a half, I've been using the Happy Planner. Now I use the 18-month planner. This is the 12-month planner, but I really love this planner. Now I did my research before I bought the planner, so I knew going into it what the planner was, and I had a pretty good idea that it would fit my needs. But with anything, sometimes you do the research and it's not exactly what you think it is. But with the Happy Planner, everything that I wanted in a planner is in the Happy Planner. Now, I'm going to give you a few reasons why I love the Happy Planner over other planners. Because I've also looked into the Erin Condren Planner and the Recollections Planner and all of those planners. Number one is the disc bound. With the other planners, it's coil binding. It doesn't allow for you to add pages. So with the disc rings, you can add pages or sections into this planner. So you could just pop them in there. And they do sell budget planners and fitness tracker or fitness planners that you can pop in here. You can also add your own papers in here. So there is a notes section at the back, but you can add more notes section. So they do sell like kind of a notepad that you can stick in here, but you can just, write something on a piece of paper, and they do sell the hole punch for the Happy Planner, and you can buy the hole punch and you can add if that's what you desire to do. But that is an option, and it's a great option. This is a vertical planner. It has a vertical layout, and so what I mean by that is that it's planned by columns, and you can see right here that it is planned vertically instead of horizontally across the page. It's also not an hourly planner. It's a planner that is just blocked into 3 chunks of your day, or just 3 chunks, however you want to use it. You could chunk it by morning, afternoon, evening, or you could use one section for your to-dos, one section for your morning, one section for your evening, or one section for errands, and then one section for your daily routines or your menu planning. And you also get a dashboard at the beginning of each month, right opposite to the monthly divider. Okay, and here you can put in your birthdays, your monthly goals, your notes, your top events. In the notes section, I usually like to put my bills, to track my bills that way. And then there's a section for currently reading, currently planning, currently watching, eating, all that other good stuff. Your shopping list in here. And by the way, I'm not being sponsored by this video. I just really love this product. And I'm going to leave a link down below in case you wanted to purchase one. They are on Amazon as well. Okay, then they also have a monthly glance at a view. You can see here for January, it's over 2 pages and a month at a glance. This is great for me because I'm kind of a big picture. I'm detail oriented, but I also need to see the big picture. Sometimes when you're detail oriented, you can kind of get lost in the little details and forget the big picture. So having this month at a glance lets me see an overall broader picture of my month and how it's going to. Another feature which helps me with my planning ahead are the 2019 and 2020 calendars at the front of the planner. The next thing I love about the Happy Planner is that you can remove the parts that you've finished with or the parts that you don't want. Sometimes if you're taking this around with you, that it can get kind of bulky, and if you're adding in sections like the budget planner and stuff to the happy planner, then it ends up being very bulky. So being able to remove sections is great. The other thing I want to mention is that you could remove these sheets like that and just place them on your table and plan that way. So the fact that there are discs, it's disc bound, will not bother you when you're writing, because like, especially if you're writing over here on this side, because you're able to take out the page and write it on a flat surface and then stick it back into your happy planner. The next thing I love is that it has such cute graphics. And it also has cute sayings. I really like it for that, because sometimes they have really good quotes and inspirational sayings and quotes to really help you through your week and through your day and just give you those little reminders. Then it also comes in 3 different sizes, so the mini, the classic, and the big. Like I mentioned before, this is the classic happy planner. This is the 12-month planner, so from January to December 2019, but they do have the 18-month planner still available, and it runs from July 2018 to December 2019. So I will be showing you that one in the next video. That is the one that I got, but I thought that since we are already into 2019, that this would be an appropriate one for the giveaway. Also with the giveaway, I will be giving away these stamps, and you can see they have the stamp pad as well as an acrylic block to stick your stamps on, and I'll be showing you that in the next video how to do that, and in case you guys weren't aware of how to do that. Then it has like these little stamps here, and you can see email, mail, grocery, laundry, church, watch a movie, getting paid, or payday, flying or going on vacation, something to do with your pets, sports activities, haircut, so phone call, birthdays, bills to be paid, doctor, something for the house. There's a star here to, if you want to have something like important, like just to star it, and knife and fork, I guess eating out to restaurant, cleaning. There's hearts here, there's glasses for the optometrist, there's also dumbbells like for fitness. Then they also have these lines here, so you can make lines in your happy planner, and they have a to-do stamp. They also have a do today, remember an important stamp. They also have the list stamps here, so with the hearts or the numbers depending on what you want, and then they have other numbers here, which is the calendar, so you can position it on, I believe it's a calendar, so you can position it however, you know, whatever the days are. And then we have some flags and a word bubble, and that's it, guys. So all in all, I think these are great. I will be doing a giveaway for both of these, so whoever wins them, I will be mailing these out to you. Okay, now this video is getting long, so let me get into what you need to do to enter this giveaway. So first, you'll need to be subscribed to my channel here on YouTube, Journey to Home Sweet Home. Okay, so it's this channel that you're watching. You'll also need to be a follower or followers of my pages, my Facebook page and my Instagram page. I do post things there, and things for the home, things for routines. And the last thing you need to do is to leave a comment below down on this video letting me know how you would use this happy planner. Would you use it in the traditional sense of scheduling? Would you use it for just your to-dos? Would you use it as a memory keeper? That's a great idea too. Or would you use it as a fitness tracker, a budget tracker? Let me know down in the comments box below. I'd love to know how you use this happy planner, and maybe we can all share our ideas and get ideas on how we can best use the happy planner. I will be drawing a name randomly using a random selector. The giveaway will run until January 30th, and the winner will be announced on February the 4th. This giveaway is open to Canadian and U.S. residents. Now, although the winner will be getting this planner in February, I know that this planner is going to be very useful for you. So I hope that you're excited about this giveaway as I am. This is a really good giveaway. I think that you guys can really benefit from this, and I know I have. So I just want to give this gift to you guys and say thank you to all my subscribers. And I'm sorry, I wish I could buy one for each and every one of you, but unfortunately I can't. So good luck, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.